Okay, so I'm headed to my hair appointment with Nessa, and it's pouring rain, so that's why I'm in this towel. But I also have my black hair dye in my hair, and it's pouring rain right now. A hot mess. Anyways, this is my first time going to the salon, and like, I don't even know how long it's been, but I'm super excited actually to see Nessa because I actually connected with her in 2020. It's obviously 5 years later, so I'm so excited for her to do my hair. She's also going to be repairing some of my locks because the last time I took my faux locks out, me and my sister, we were just acting crazy after a while, and we snipped a few of my locks. So let's go to Brooklyn. Okay, let's go see Nessa.
It's Nessa. I'm here with Linda. Let's see what we do for her today.
Yeah.
See you guys soon.
We are about to rinse out this rinse.
Yes, we're gonna rinse it, shampoo her, condition her, oil her scalp, hydrate her hair, stick under the dryer, and retwist and style we go.
She has some amazing products as well that we're going to be using because you guys.
She's in good hands.
Okay. I looked up her stuff because, you know, my edges are missing after postpartum, and you have
It happens. I do have a stimulating growth oil that can help with that, and I also have an Ayurvedic treatment that I will be releasing in May, but she's gonna go home with some of it so that she can try it out, and it will help with hair loss, hair growth. But this can happen after postpartum. This is normal, but we can't take care of it, so it will go back.
Thank goodness.
What I loved most about Nessa is she was just so like calm. Her energy was just so chill, and honestly, this was the best shampoo I think I've ever received. Like, she took her time. I didn't feel like she rushed, and I just very much so felt pampered. She started with the fenugreek scalp scrub, and it was so good. It has peppermint oil, which increases circulation, but it also really exfoliated my scalp. My scalp was so dirty. Like, I kid you not, when she was done with this, it felt like my scalp was actually breathing. Fenugreek also prevents hair loss and promotes new hair growth as well. This product also helps fight dry scalp, and honestly, you guys, my experience with it was just absolutely amazing. Next, she followed up with the rice water spray, and oh my god, my daughter's hair loves this. But anyway, she used it on my hair, and it definitely added softness. It also contains an antioxidant that helps with hair growth as well, but the biggest thing was my hair felt so soft after. I will definitely leave like the benefits of each product in the description box below. But then her lock gel, oh my god, this stuff. It contains no beeswax. It doesn't flake. Honestly, I've been using this not only just for a retwist, but I actually can use this as like my gel for my daughter's like slick ponytails. But again, like, it kept my lock retwist like intact for like a good like week and a half. And then again, like, I use it for my daughter as well. Honestly, all these products I use on my daughter, so it's not just for locks. And to be honest, I feel like out of all the products I've ever used on my daughter, these ones work the best. Like, I kid you not. So it's not just for locks. She also has a hair butter, which also is amazing. I actually use the rice water first on my daughter's hair and then the hair butter on her, and those two together are amazing. But anyways, we won't be using the hair butter on myself, but I just wanted to tell you guys about it. It contains mango butter, which has a ton of antioxidants as well as vitamin A, E, and others, but it also has something I've never heard of called kokum butter, and basically it's rich in fatty acids, which really help to hydrate the hair. And I can say for a fact, if I hydrate my daughter's hair with the rice water and the butter, her hair will be soft with nothing else added for like 2, 3, 4 days. Like, this stuff is like really good. I'm not trying to sell you anything. You guys know I always have a coupon code. It is LindaElaine. But this girl also saved my locks, as you can see in the middle. She definitely added the hair back that was missing. So I appreciate her so much because they were looking like a hot mess. But again, I'm going to leave all the information about her products below. These products are some of the best products I think I've ever used on my hair, and I'm not even playing when I say that. So Nessa, girl, you got some amazing stuff, and honestly, they don't make products like this no more, okay? So the next product she used was her stimulating hair oil, and this has iamLindaElaine oil. I always pronounce that wrong, but that is so beneficial to the scalp because it helps regulate the sebum on our scalp. This oil also repairs and strengthens our hair follicles, especially for mommies like me who went through a lot of postpartum hair loss. This is a good way to stimulate those hair follicles again, because for me, that's like really important. I'm trying to like grow my hair again. I definitely see the difference in like the thickness of my locks from when I was pregnant and going through postpartum. So I'm definitely trying to thicken them back up. The next oil we used was the Nourish and Shine. It is a little bit thicker, but this contains frankincense oil, which is a natural antibacterial. It like leaves your hair so shiny, and I actually love the way frankincense smells, so it smells amazing. It also contains castor oil as well as so many other things, but the castor oil helps hydrate the scalp, but it also helps with stimulating hair growth as well. Castor oil is actually one of my favorite oils. Even though it's thick, I always have soft hair when I use it. So again, I will leave all the benefits in the description box below, but honestly, these products have been so amazing for us. So she did a 2-strand twist for me, and this was actually my first time doing it. It was a little bit different for me, only just because my hair is a lot thinner, and I have fine locks, so it was definitely a new style. But when I say my hair was so neat, like I got so many compliments on like how neat my hair looked, and people literally asked me like the moment I was walking out the door, like, who did your hair? So she does the thing, you guys. Like, my hair was super neat. I kept it in that style for a few days before I let them out, but I was super satisfied. It actually felt like my scalp was breathing. And this is what the twist out looked like. I took it out at my friend's house, and as you can see, it was super defined. So if you're in New York, definitely check her out. I will leave all the information in the description box below.